Hi everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a birthday unboxing. If you hear the girls Belle and Poppy, they are sort of having a play, so I'm sorry if they make a noise, but they've been running around before I film this video. So let's get on to this. This is my birthday unboxing, and thank you to everyone that wished me a happy birthday. I feel so blessed and so loved. And for those following me on my mindful spending, yes, I did stick to budget. So let's get on and just do a bit of an unboxing if I can get it out. So I bought this the right way. I bought this not at my local boutique. We went away for a couple of days, so I bought this at the Pacific Fair, Louis Vuitton. I had not shopped there before. So this card, which was nice. So just this navy card, which was good. Nothing on it. So let's just put that there. And the receipt. So let's do the unboxing. This is, I think, the packaging for the Chinese New Year, which is pretty. I always find these boxes so awkward when you've got to sit down on little areas. Let's drop that. So I will just tell you why I bought this when I unveil it, but I got the Alma BB in the EPI colour in the Indigo. So I have this in the Neverfull in the blue. I'm an EPI girl. I believe in EPI leather. I just think it's more durable. But the reason I got this, and I had it on my wish list for a couple of years, is I owned an EPI, not an EPI, I owned a calf leather bag, the small size like this, many years ago, and I absolutely loved it. It was like a torpor latte colour. It was a beautiful leather. And it was during that stage where Louis Vuitton had some problems with their glazing on all around here. On that particular bag was just sticky. You would pick it up and you would get a colour on your hand, and even the strap. So I had to hand that in, and I couldn't replace it because it was a limited edition bag. And I said to myself, one day I am going to get another Alma. I have the PM. So I got this one, and I'm really happy to have it in my collection, and I think she's going to be the perfect size. I got this colour because I thought it would go with a lot, and I'm excited to use her at last. So I think there's lots of reviews on this bag, so I probably don't need to review it, but I may do another video maybe next week just showing everyone what fits in her, or how it looks on me for my frame, basically. So it has the strap, and it has the microfiber in there, and obviously she's already put the girls she's already put the lock on for me. So I'm very excited to have this in my collection. I can add another beautiful Alma to my collection, and I haven't shopped, girls, I have not shopped at Louis Vuitton for many years. So this is her, and I'm sure I'm going to enjoy using her. So thank you again for everyone that wished me happy birthday. And don't forget, everyone, Ada loves style. See you again next time. Bye.